Nandito po kami muli sa Malolos, Bulacan at for today's video, gagawin po namin ang Who's Most Likely Challenge. Of course, kasama ang aking asawa. And titignan natin kung ano ba yung mga sikreto naming dalawa. So, ito na. Start na, Casey.
Number 1. Who's most likely to be indecisive with simple decisions?
Feeling
Mami!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Di ba pagtuturo mo?
Paano masabi?
Ikaw, next!
Bigla.
Number 2. Who's most likely to be late for an important event?
Ah! Dami-dami na nung pantalon ko lang yung pantalon.
Number 3. Who's most likely to be a strict parent?
Ah! Ay, nako.
Tumulto.
Next.
Mauso ka kasi.
Who's most likely to remain asleep while the alarm is set? Number 5. Who's most likely to remain in the bathroom for 1 hour? Si Mami.
Opo, ba't mo ako? Sali ka na? Gusto mo rin?
Number 6. Who's most likely to forget people's names? Number 7. Who's most likely to forget to shower?
Parang ginawa itong game na ito para sa akin lang ah. Ang daya ah.
Number 8. Who's most likely to indulge in late night snacking?
Mami! alam mo na ha. Ready ka na mag-dive ha.
Number 9. Who's most likely to keep items or clothes they haven't worn or used?
Alam ko!
Pareho.
Parehas ka mo.
Last question. Who's most likely to break their phone screen?
Ah, si Mami yan! Kasi ano yan si Mami, clap sa cellphone. Clap si... Yun lang?
Yun lang, yeah. So, yun lang po muna.
Yung multo na sila, instant makeup.
So, thank you so much mga Karacha. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito. Kung meron pa po kayong mga suggestions, just put your suggestions in the comment box. And also, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And also, please support Filipino vloggers mga Karacha. Thank you so much. Until the next video.